Welcome back to the channel. So we got the Smoke Show HEMI here. We are going to get some work done to it again. So we got an appointment to go get the Mid Muffler Delete again. Since the accident, they did a whole new catback, factory exhaust, bolt on. So now we're going to head over to Mighty Muffler again and get them to do the Mid Muffler Delete. So that's the factory. Sounds good, but we're going to fix that. We also had something else done, so took it and had the hood wrapped in the satin black. I think it turned out pretty good. Looks good. What do you think? Gives it a nice look. And there's the Shelby sitting back here in the garage, hooked up. So let's get on the road. All right, so we're on our way. Get it back to where it was before he left. He should be back sometime mid-February. He's going to be happy. Get back in this car. He wanted his hood wrapped, so I figured while he's away, go ahead and get it done for him. So we took it and had it wrapped in a satin black. And I think it turned out good with the way the satin black looks on it. Gives it a nice aggressive look from the front. Get him started on his own modifications when he gets back. All in all, this is a nice car. I'm happy with the Challenger. I think he made a good choice on getting it. It fits him and his personality. Can't wait to see him back home driving it around, getting out to the shows with me. It's going to be a good time. 2022 is going to be a good year. I got some things planned for the Shelby. Give it a good look at the shows that we go to. It's going to be a good time. Weather's not too good today, so I don't think I'll be getting on it too much. Not with this overcast, rainy day, wet roads. It's going to be a short ride over to Mighty Muffler. Enjoy the ride. Mighty Muffler. There it goes. I'll get it done again. Oh, we're all done. Getting on the road, head back home. Sounds good. Got the sound back. Gives it just enough of, oh, it's slippery out here. Gives it that aggressive sound, like American muscle should be. Yeah, it's slick out. Stopped raining. But it says it's what, 34 degrees. So, gonna have to take it easy. On our way back home. Yeah, it's slippery. slippery to have fun, that's for sure. Tunnel. Gotta take it easy. She gets loose quick. Just ready for the car season to be back. Got to get through these couple months. Then we'll be back in the car season. Getting to the shows, the nice weather. But Dominic's car is done. It'll be here waiting for him when he gets back. Then he can start his work on it, what he wants to do. And Dominic can enjoy this video, see his car while he's away, and give him something to be proud about. This is his. We're just taking care of it for him. It don't take much to break it free. Gotta be gentle. It'll be all over the place. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Appreciate the support. And until next time, take care.